Welcome to the welcome to the Daily Jink for May 22nd, the third day of the course, Wednesday. Um, Thank you, Michael and Mackenzie, for coming to the Hangout last night. I think it was really interesting. The next Hangouts will be on Thursday. I'll give you the schedule. I'll put it right here in the news feed for for D2L. I've also put a sample summary here. And since most of you hopefully have written your own summaries already, I want to give you a chance to see how I would have summarized the article. So, I'd like you to look at this, click on the link, and read through my summary, and you can get an idea of the sort of things that I'm looking for in yours. Um, I use particular examples, and you could use other examples, um, but the structure is something here that I demonstrate that I would like you to follow. Um, and like I said, with these assignments, the idea is to get them out, to write them, and then have a chance to look at what you've done, get comments from me and your partners, and then revise them. And you can do this up until the end of the course. My theory with writing is that it's basically revision. I'm not interested in the first draft of anything you write. I'm interested in you writing something and then thinking about it and rewriting it and thinking about it some more and rewriting it. That's the kind of course that I envision here, and I would like you to participate in that model as we go forward here. And one of the ways I've given you uh, to help you do that is a summary of my own. Now, I don't want you to copy it because I can see what you've done and I understand, uh, I know what I've done. So, it's not that you want to make a summary of a summary here. Uh, the idea is to make it your own, but do something similar to what I've done. Okay? Um, like I said, tomorrow is Thursday, and we're going to do some more uh, hangouts tomorrow. Make sure that you have looked at your pages that I've sent you in your G drive. Uh, Here, I just paused it for a minute so I could go to the first page, which is the essay summary page. And when you do this, I've just put in this sort of um, protocol, that I'd like you to follow here. Put your name in this, this kind of heading here, and then come down here and indent and write it in 12-point font with a double space. Now, you can write it somewhere else and you can paste it in here. You don't have to write it in Google Docs if you're not comfortable doing that. But when you paste something in from Word, for instance, you have to go through and you have to deal with the formatting because Google Docs has a tendency to take out the formatting, especially the paragraphing. So you have to pay attention to how it looks in Google Docs because that's a part of this class is to not only write proficiently, but control your document in particular ways so that it appears one grammatically and mechanically correct, but also um, stylistically and formatically correct. The form has to be correct. Okay, so basically you put in a title and then you take out this stuff and you do what I ask you to do here. Okay, so this is just a template, which you have to get rid of. Don't include this stuff. Okay, all right. The question of the day is, where can I find Dr. Archibald's summary of the essay? And you can find that in uh, the news page of D2L under sample summary. Okay, thanks.